Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at ApplianceFactory.com.
Welcome everyone to Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom. I'm Chef Mark, and thanks for tuning into our YouTube channel. I'm back with more about Kenmore appliances. Kenmore is that legacy brand that was known as a Sears brand for many, many years. Now, Sears never produced their own appliances. I'm gonna take this down just because I'm 6 feet away from everybody. Okay, excellent. Sears never produced their own appliances. They always had other manufacturers make them. Now, unfortunately, Sears, they're going the way of the dinosaur, which means they have a lot of appliances that they had ordered and they're not able to sell. So Appliance Factory took that opportunity to bring them into our warehouse, and we have fantastic deals on Kenmore. Now, Kenmore, as I understand, is manufactured by LG, and that's a good thing. LG makes quality home appliances. Last week, I reviewed the dishwasher. Check that video out because you won't believe the features and just how feature-rich their appliances are for any given price point. And that's true of this side-by-side as well. So Kenmore has got the sizes. They have 36 and 33 inch side-by-side and French door, and in all the colors. It's getting harder and harder to find a white appliance these days, but Kenmore has it. They even have some black and stainless as well. So here's what I love about this side-by-side. First off, it's 36 inches wide, so it's got a ton of capacity, and it's got the door and door. And I love the door and door. I'll tell you why I love the door and door. Here's the main door. You can see it opens all the way to the bottom here. We have the crisper bins. When this is plugged in, nice lighting, side by side, big ice capacity. Look how big that ice maker is. And of course, whenever you put the ice maker in the freezer, it's going to keep up with ice really well. But back to what I love about the door and door. You can load the door from the inside here or from here, but particularly if you have family, kids, you can put the 10 or 12 most used items that you're going to use every single day in this door and door. And then you're not opening the entire door. That's keeping more cold air in the refrigerator longer. It's keeping your food fresher. It's really helping preserve your food. Now you can see here we got some door pockets, and I love this. I would put my hot sauce here, my Cholula packets, my bacon. I would definitely put my milk, my juice, my eggs, and then my snacks, my yogurts. And then in the main compartment here, of course, I still have tons of room for a lot of food. And it's usually, side-by-sides just don't have the capacity of a French door, but I gotta tell you, this is every bit as roomy as a French door. Ice and water indoor. It's really a great deal. And let's talk about price. $13.99 for all of these features and at this size. It's really, I think, the best value we have at Appliance Factory right now. We are getting more and more of these appliances on the sales floor every day. But if you want to learn more, whether about the side-by-side or the French door, I want you to swing by Appliance Factory Mattress Kingdom, any of our 19 Colorado locations, and tell them Chef Mark sent you. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you click the like and subscribe.
Online or locally, save at ApplianceFactory.com. Click the link to learn more.